A quick movie of the place we used to jump. It's closed right now. I'm heading over toward the hole, as you can see. Split the whole bridge at the roadway. And the bridge is just hanging on nothing. A huge abutment. I'm going to slide across there. Hopefully I live. There she is down there. And there's where I used to jump. I can still jump. And then we're going to quickly walk over to the other side, where there's another little hole. And if you look across here, you'll see our other bridge abutment that we jump off of. That's half severed.